Class 10 Science, Chapter 10, Light, Refraction from Plane Surface. I am R.S. Prasad. So let us start this one. So it is the simple experiment about the formation of shadow. It's a pencil and it is the shadow on the wall, and it is the candle. So whenever it's burning, so it's glow the light, and shadow is forming here. So you can measure the distance of the object and the distance of the image. So we can consider these triangles in a similar triangle. So the ratio of their sides are also equal. So we can consider the like this. So length of the object upon distance between the object and the source and is equal to length of the shadow and the distance between image and sources. So h upon DO, that is the distance of object. You can see in this figure, it is the distance of object DO and the distance of shadow, that is the DS, and height of the object, that is the H, and height of the shadow, that is the H dash. So you can see here the formula is H upon DO is equal to H dash upon DS. So H dash will be equal to H into DS upon DO. So we can calculate this one with the help of this formula, the image of the object. So formula for the calculating the size of the shadow. Let us see the next one. So formation of image. It is a plane mirror, and this side is polished surface, and by plane mirror it is polished black with the paint, and it is the reflecting surface which is the silver metal. So it is the light, and when it is coming here, so it is incident light. Incident light, and it is reflected light, or you can say reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray, and this is your incidence angle. Which is denoted by I. It is your normal, and this one is the reflection angle, and it is denoted by R. Like this. So this is the reflection on plane mirror. So you can see. But now come to the laws of reflection. What is the law of reflection? So first law, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. That means I angle is always equal to the angle R. So it is given here I and R. Now the incident ray, which one? This one is the incident ray. This one incident ray. Normal, it is your normal. You can write here. And this one is the reflected ray. So that one is the reflected ray. Lies in the same plane. They all are lies in the same plane, and they are at the incident point. That point is called as incident point. So this is the laws of reflection. Let us start the effect of rotation of plane mirror on reflected ray. So it is the plane mirror, it is the initial position, that is the mm dash, and that is the normal, original normal, that is the, and the angle between the rotation. So first of all, you can see here with the help of incident ray and the angle of incident and angle of reflection. So this angle is I. As you know, this angle is I. So here this angle is also I by the law of reflection. So this angle is I. So by rotating this angle mirror, it rotated theta angle. So this normal is also rotating by theta angle. So this angle becomes I plus theta. So you have to write it is I plus theta. So with the help of law of reflection, so this angle will be also I plus theta. It is I plus theta. So as you know, I plus theta, but this angle is no theta. So the total angle is I plus 2 theta. This total angle is I plus 2 theta. But we know that this angle is I, this angle is I. So after reducing this angle, so we get this angle and that angle becomes 2 theta, and that is the difference of reflected rays, and that is the 2 theta, and here is the mirror, that is the theta. So you can consider this one, if the mirror is rotating by theta, so reflected angle is rotated by 2 theta. So that is the main property. So you can learn, it's a very important for your examination. So let us see the what is the formation of image, and that is the point object by the plane mirror. It is a point object on O. So there are so many incident ray, and they are after reflection they will meet at a point I. So this is the reflected point, and that is the image of the point object, and this is the plane mirror. So you can form with the figure with the help of a scale and the pencil. So a point formed by the plane mirror is virtual image of the object. It is the virtual image. Virtual image. That means it cannot be obtained on the screen. So let us see the next one. So distance of the image formed by the plane mirror. So let us see in this, you can see here, first of all, this is the object and it is the incident ray and it is reflected ray, and after back side it is increasing and the normal is also increasing, they intersect at the point I. So it forms an image, and that is the virtual image. So let us see what will be happen in this. So in triangle, which one? IBA. So you can write here IBA, and triangle which one? OBA. What will be happen in this? So angle of this angle, you can say it is the 90-degree angle. So you can write here angle of IBA is equal to angle of OBA. That means 90-degree each. Now come to the second. These angles are also equal because this is the corresponding angle. This angle and this angle is corresponding angle because this is the line parallels, and this angle is alternate interior angle. So this is equal. So you can write here this and these angles are equal. So you can say, so angle of BIA is equal to angle of BOA, and that is the by law of reflection, you can say here. And this distance is the common, AB is common in both. So you can write AB is common in both. So what will be happen? So triangle is congruent. So triangle IBA is congruent to triangle OBA. So that's why this is IB is equal to OB. IB is equal to OB. So always remember, the distance of image and the distance of objects are always equal. So you can see here, and what is the in your copy, how can write the, it is the discussing the distance which is the equal, but how can write in your copy, let us see. According to the figure, this one is the figures which I will explain before this. According to the figure, if image of inclined incidence is, angle of incidence is angle of OAN, that is the I, and then the angle of BOA is equal to I, alternate interior angle. And if angle of reflection is NAC, the angle R, this is the angle of reflection, then the angle of BIA is equal to angle R, corresponding angle. So according to law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. Therefore from the equation first and second, you can say this angle, this equation and this equation. In triangle, so therefore from equation first, second and third, the angle triangle BOA and the IBA. So angle of BOA is equal to angle of BIA is equal to, that means it is the reflection of angle and the reflection angle and the incidence angle, both are equal. And angle of OBA, that is equal to IBA angle, that is 90 degree, and AB is equal to AB, it is common, so triangles are congruent. So angle OAB is equal to IAB, since the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle OAB is equal to angle of IAB, and by theorem corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are congruent. So CPCT. So therefore OB is equal to BI. Therefore the distance of image from the plane mirror is same as the distance of the object from the mirror. So it is a very important question. So you can prove by the this type. So let us see what will be the question. If an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter of a plane mirror, so you can draw here plane mirror like this. It is a plane mirror and it is an object, and the distance of object, that is the 30 centimeters. So it is your 30 centimeter, and the image is formed. So inside, that is the image is formed like this. Here is image. So what is the distance between the image, between the object and the image? So image is formed here, and it is also 30 centimeter. So it is O, and it is A, and it is I. So as you know, OA is equal to AI, and that is the 30 centimeter. So what is the distance of OI? So OI is always equal to OA plus AI. So that one is the 30 and plus 30. So it becomes 60 centimeters. So that is your answer. So you can do very well. Image of extended object at plane mirrors. How can form this image? So it is the extended object, and this is the extended image, which is virtually, and in the between, so it is the plane mirror. So you can see here, with the help of the law of reflection, we can consider here. So two laws are here. This law you can consider, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So both the rays are intersecting behind the mirror at I, and also here, so behind the mirror at I dash. So it forms a virtual image. So you can draw in your copy very well. Now come to the what is the maximum size of the mirror required to view a full image? So how can say? It is the, we can see the part PQ of the mirror MM dash is sufficient to show full image of its kept at a height of QM dash. So it is the necessary to do this one, and it is very important article. So you can see here. So we can take this triangle. In triangle, which one? In triangle of HRP, HRP and ERP. This is the ERP. So you can see. So first one. So by the law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. So but if the angle I1 is equal to angle of R1 by law of reflection. By law of reflection. And now in this there are, and the RP is the common. So you can say RP is common. So what will be happen? So both triangles are congruent. So triangle HRP congruent to triangle ERP. Let us see in the second. So by CPCT, and you know HR is equal to RE. So you can say HR is equal to RE. So it's your equation first. Now in triangle, you can say in triangle which one? This one, EQS. In triangle EQS, and triangle which one? That is the FSQ. It is FSQ. So it is the foot and it is the head. So you can consider the man height. Now in this you can say the I2. This one is the law of reflection. That is the I2 is equal to R2 by law of reflection. By law of reflection. Now you can see this angle is 90 degree. There is only two things are equal. So you can write the third things also. So angle which one? Angle which one? This one, HRP. So angle HRP HRP is equal to angle of ERP. ERP, and both are 90 degrees. So you can write here each. So here is angle, also you can write here angle is this angle, you can say this angle is 90 degree also. So that is the ESQ. So angle of ESQ is equal to angle of FSQ. So you can write here 90 degree each. Now the two are equal, so this one is the common. So SQ is common. SQ is common. So triangles are congruent. So triangle EQS congruent to triangle FSQ. So let us see the equation now by CPCT. So this one is the equal, which one? ES is equal to SF. So you can write here SF is equal to ES. It is the equation second. By so that is distance, the height of the man, that is the HF. So you can write here HF is the height of the man. So HF is equal to HR plus RE plus ES and plus SF. So with the help of equation first and second, you can write here HR is equal to RE. So you can write here RE plus RE is here. So it is ES, and SF is also equal to ES. So you can write here ES with the help of equation first and second. Now HF is equal to 2RE and plus 2ES. So what will be happen? 2 is common. So it is RE plus ES. Now 2 RE plus ES, you can see here it is the RF. It is the RS. You can see here it is R and S. So you can write here RS. And as you know, RS is the length of the mirror, that is the PQ. So you can write here PQ. So it is the HF. So you can write HF. So HF is equal to 2 PQ. And here is PQ is equal to half of HF. So that is the relation between the mirror, size of the mirror and the length of the man or woman जो भी हैं इनको कर लेंगे आप लोग. Now come to the this question. A person 60 meter will be equal to 1/2 length of person. So length of person is given as 160 centimeter. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 60. So it becomes 80 centimeters, and that is your answer. Now let us see what will be in the number of images. Yes, multiple reflection. You can see here multiple reflection. There is 2 mirrors. So mirror 1 here and mirror 2 is here. One object is placed between these mirrors. So that is the O, and it forms a one image, that is the O1, and the second, that is the O2, and these images are working as an object. So the final image is formed here O3. So there are only 3 images are formed with the help of. So this is the formula for the finding the number of images, that is the 360 upon theta minus 1, because one image is overlapping to each other. So if the angle between the both mirror is 90 degree, then we can find the number of image. It is the 360 upon 90 minus 1. So it becomes 4. So it becomes 4 minus 1, and that is the 3. So 3 image will be formed. So you can see here very busy. So the number of image you can learn by heart and draw that image in your So it is the most important things which is coming in your examination. So come to the next one. What is the refraction? So reflection of light from plane surface. You have to see there is no anything. So we can see coin directly. So that is the light of beam which is coming from the coin to the eye. But there is water. So the it is the actual, it is a coin, but it is refracted here. So it is the denser medium and it is the rarer medium. So it bends. It's so far away from the normal. You can see here. Here is the normal. This is the normal. So it is always far from the normal. So light is bending here. So our image is virtually seeing here. So this coin is seems to be appear upwards. So let us see what will be the reflection in this. So you can see here it is the reflection rays bends towards the normal when ray of light is passing from real to denser medium, it is bent towards the normal. It is the normal. You can write here, this one is the normal. So here is also you can see normal. So when ray of beam is coming from the rarer medium and passing through denser medium, it's always bends towards the normal. And when ray is coming from the denser medium to rarer medium, it is always far away from the normal. So that is that phenomena is called as refraction, and it is the reflection. So you can now refractive index. What is the refractive index? And it is the absolute refractive index, the speed of light in the vacuum upon speed of light in the medium. So that is the n. It is denoted by absolute reflection, that is the n, or c by v. It is also represented by mu or n. So it is the c upon v, and c is the speed of light. C is the speed of light in vacuum, and v is the speed of light in medium. So you can see here, you can write here also c, and here you can write here v. So if the absolute reflective index of water is given as 4 by 3, so you can write here n is equal to 4 by 3, or you can say mu also. So find the speed of light in water. So here is formula is n is equal to c upon v. So v is equal to c upon n. As you know, c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. As you know, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It is the speed of light, and n is, that is the 4 by 3. So you have to write 4 by 3. So it becomes 9 by 4 into 10 to the power 8. So what will be happen? 4 to the 8, and once again 4 to the 8, and 4 5 the 40. So 2.25 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and that will be your answer. So you can write very well. Now come to the various type of refractive index, and you can see in the table refractive index of the absolute density of some materials. You can see material medium and reflective index, absolute density, and speed of light in that medium. So diamond is 2.42. So it is the absolute density, that is 3.52. So speed is 1.24 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And for plain glass, that is the 1.64, and it is 2.9 to 4.5, and it is 1.83 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And it is the glass crown, that is the 1.52. So the density is 2.5 to 2.7, and you can find the speed also. The simple glass, that is the 1.5, and the absolute is the density is the 2.5. As you observe that 2.25 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. And it's the water is 1 by 1.33, or you can say that is the 4 by 3 also. It is equal to 4 by 3. It is 1. So density is always, remember, the density of water is always 1. So ice, that is the 1.31. So density is 0.92. That means the ice float over the water because it has density low. So you can learn this table. Now come to the refractive index. What is the refractive index? The ratio of the speed of the light in the first medium and the speed of light in the second medium is called relative refractive index. We denote it by mu12 or n21. So here n21 is the speed of light in the first medium upon speed of light in second medium. So it is n21 is equal to v1 upon v2, where v1 is the speed of light in the first medium and v2 is the speed of light in the second medium. We If we divide it by c to both equations upper, so you can see here v1 upon c and it is v2 by c. So v1 upon c and here is the c upon v2. So you can write here 1 upon n1 into n1 n2. So n2 upon n1. So thus the refractive index n21 is equal to refractive index of second medium, that is the n2, and refractive index of the first medium, that is n1. Let us see the question. It is the refractive index of the water. Water is given as, so you can say it is A and G. No A and G, it is water. It is A and W. It is given as 1.33 and we can say it is 4 by 3. Now refractive index of glass, so you can say it is A and G, that is the 1.5. So what will be happen? So now come to this one. Now find the W and A. So W and G. How can find W and G? So it is the A and G upon A and W. So let us see what will be happen. A and G is 1.5 and it is 4 by 3. So let us see, it is 1.5 into 3 upon 4. So what will be happen? 1.5 and in 15 3 ja 45, 4.5 upon 4. So you can write here it is 1 point, how much, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja. So that will be your answer. Now come to this one, refraction through the two faces of a rectangular slab. It is a glass slab. So you can see here this is the incident ray and this symbol is called as del. So you have to learn this symbol. So it is the del. So now come to the angle of refraction, here angle of incident, that is the I. You can see here it is the I. So that is the angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection, so that is the R. You can see in this it is your R. Now angle E is the emergent angle, that angle E is emergent angle. Now come to the actual and the virtual depth. So it is the actual and virtual depth. You can see here it is a coin. It is the actual depth, that is the capital H, and it is the virtual depth, that is the small h. So you can see the it is the image of the formation of coin. So refractive index is always, remember, it is the actual depth upon the virtual depth. So that is the capital H upon small h. So you have to remember this one. Now come to the next one. What is the principle of reversibility of the path of a light? So you can see here, so one is when there is the two medium, it is three medium, so it is air, water, it is not mirror, it is glass, and when last is air. So when ray is coming here, A to B, it is the rarer medium, that is the air, and B to C, so it is the water, and C to D, it is the glass slab, and D to E, that is the air. So if we change the direction of light, so it will suffer to this light. So how can suffer this one? E to D, D to C, and C to B, and B to A. It cannot be changed the path of the lights, and that is called as principle of reversibility of path of light. So you can know this one. Now come to the second, the critical angle and the total internal reflection. What is the critical angle? So if the ray of light is passing from denser to rarer, so it is always far away. In the incidence, in the denser media, the one angle is coming as possible, which is in which the reflection angle gets 90 degree, and that angle is called as critical angle, and it is denoted by IC or I also. IC or C. Critical angle is C. So you can see here in this chapter, in this topic, this is the for a particular value of incident angle, emergent reflected ray will graze through the surface separating both mediums. This angle is known as critical angle. So you can write in your copy that material. Therefore, critical angle is that value of incident angle in the denser media for which angle of reflection is 90 degree in the rarer media. And most important things, the necessary condition for the total internal reflection. And if the incidence angle is more than the critical angle, so all the rays are not reflected, it is reflected on that medium. So in the same medium, so that is called as total internal reflection. So the necessary condition for the total internal reflection, so light should passes from denser medium to rarer. It is first condition. Now second condition, incident angle should be more than the critical angle. So you have two condition for the total internal reflection. Let us see the uh, example of the total internal reflection. So first example, when we poured a test tube, blank test tube in a water, it is shiny. So you can see here an empty test tube, air medium is inclined at the some angle, is immersed in a beaker filled with water. When it observed from the top, the upper part of the test tube looks shiny as it has been painted. The reason behind this is when light is travel through water incident of test tube, this ray travel from rarer to denser medium. This is followed by the traveling light from the glass wall to test tube towards the glass air boundary, in which some of the rays have the angle of incidence greater than the critical angle. Therefore, these rays reaches after total reflection, and hence the upper part of the test tube looks as shiny as silver. This shiny disappear as the test tube is filled with water. So you can see, and you can do at home also. Now come to the mirage. What is the mirage? You can see. So mirage is actually is looking like, you can see this type of, it is a tree, and whenever a light is coming, and it is the upper part is the denser medium and lower part is the rarer medium. So always far away from the normal and soon as possible. So when it becomes the incident angle greater than the critical angle, so it is reflected like this. So this greenery part is looking here. So person is going there and there is no water because it is the water body seems here. So you can see, and it is, you can write like this. During hot days in the desert, people see in inverted reflection of the distant pine tree, which makes them believe that there is a pool of water around the tree. However, when they reach there, they find there is no water. So this illusion is known as mirage. So the air near the land surface is hotter and optically rarer, while that on a more height is cooler and the optically denser. Light from top parts of a tree travels down towards and the land, but due to continuously change the optical density, it gets reflected. Two mirrors making angle 45 degree. So you can calculate it. It is the 7. You can calculate it, this one 360 upon 45 minus 1. So it becomes 8 minus 1, and that is the 7. So 7 will be correct. So if an object is placed at a distance of 3 centimeters from the mirror, then the distance between the image and the object, that is the 6 centimeters. Now let us see the next one. Yes, fill in the blanks. So you can start here, fill in the blanks. Now here is the for the total internal reflection of light should be travel from denser medium to rarer medium. So you can write this one. So third question, what are the laws of the reflection? So you can draw this image and write the laws of reflection. When the first law, that is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You can see here angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. And the second law, incident ray normal and the reflected ray lies in the same plane, and that is the incident point at O. Now what are the laws of the reflection? So you can see here, you can draw the diagram, this one diagram in your copy. For a given pair of medium, the ratio of the sine of the angle incident and the sine of angle of reflection is always a constant. That is the 1 mu 2 is equal to sine I upon sine R, where I and R is the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. So you can write here. And the second law, so here is incident ray, it is the first law. And the what is the second law? You can write here second law. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. So you can write the second law also. So let us see what will be in the next one. The refractive index of medium A and B are NA and NB respectively. The total internal reflection is possible on going from the which medium to which medium, given that the NA is greater than NB. So let V, it is the VA and VB be the speed of light in the medium A and B respectively. So then we can find the mu A is equal to C upon VA and mu B is equal to C upon VB. Now mu A is greater than mu B, so that is VA is less than VB. That means this also indicates that the medium A is denser than the medium B. So we know that the total internal reflection is possible only if the light travels from denser to rarer medium. So therefore light should travel from medium A to medium B. So that is the answer you can write very well. Now the question number 6. What is total internal reflection and what are the necessary conditions for it to take place? So I have told you, so you can write the answer. So when a ray of light is made to incident from a denser to rarer medium at an angle greater than the critical angle, so that is the most important, then the ray of light is reflected back. So it is reflected back, not refracted, in the same medium without any reflection. So this phenomena is called total internal reflection. So essential condition for the total internal reflection, the first condition I have told you, the ray of light should travel from denser to rarer medium, and the second, the angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle. So there are two conditions for the two essential conditions for the total internal reflection. So come to the seventh part, give two examples where reflection is seen in daily life. So first one you have to write answer. It is first one, twinkling of stars. Stars are at very larger distance from the earth. The light coming from start traveling through the different layers of the atmosphere. these layers of variation density sometimes decreases and sometimes increases the deviation of light, due to which the position of stars appears to be changing and hence stars appears to be twinkling. So you can write this one answer also. So second is the partially dipped rod in the water appears bent as soon as figure CAB is a straight rod and part of AB of it dipped in the water, and when seen from outside it appears to A dash B. So clearly A dash B and the BC are different straight lines. So you can see in the figure, let us see the figure, you can, it is the figure, so we can bend, it seems to be bending. Therefore rod dipped in the water appear to be bent. This is because two waves traveling from the point A moves away from the normal on entering air, as a result of which image of A is seen at A dash. So you can see and you can draw the figure in your copy. So that, so you have to write in this copy. Now come to the light travel from air to glass slab having the refractive index, that is 1.5. What will be the speed of light in glass? Speed of vacuum is given as, so C is given as 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and the index is given as 1.5. So as you know, N is equal to C upon V. So now we can find the V. How much? N is given as 1.5, C is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8, and V is here. So we can say here V is here 3 into 10 raised to the power 8, and here is 1.5. After removing the decimal, we put here 0. So 15 2 ja, and we get V is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and that will be your answer. So now come to the next question. What is the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Explain this statement. So you can write the answer here. So refractive index of the diamond is 2.42. It means that the value of critical angle for diamond is nearly 24 degree. So therefore many rays of the light enter inside the diamond for which the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. These rays suffers total internal reflection inside the diamond and then reaches observer, and diamond is sparkless. So you can see and you can write very well. Now come to the next question, that is the question number 11. Light ray traveling in the air enters the ice. Will the light rays moves away from the normal to towards the normal? Why? You can write the answer this one. When a ray of light enters from air to ice, it bends towards the normal because ice is denser than the air. We know that when ray of light moves from denser to rarer, it bends towards the normal. So you have to write this answer. Now come to the question number 12. If we increase the distance between the mirror the object, then what would be the effect on the distance between the image and the object? So you have to write this answer. So when we increase the distance of object from the mirror, the distance of image from the mirror is also increases. This is because a plane mirror forms the image at the same distance of the object but behind the mirror. So that is the, you had to write real image is always inverted. Real image is always inverted. So virtual image is formed is always erect. So that is the first, and the second is, in case of real image, reflected rays actually meet at a point, and here is in case of virtual image, reflected rays appear to be meet at a point. Here is clearly actually meet, and here is appear to be meet. And the third one is it can be obtained on the skin, it cannot be obtained on the skin. So that is the difference between the real image and the virtual image. So you have to write this one very well. So come to the next question. Relation between the, it is a question relation between the absolute reflection and the relative refractive index. So absolute refractive index of a medium is equal to refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. So we can write here mu is equal to mu 1 2. Now come to the what is the principle of reversibility. So I have told you, so you can write the answer in this way. So there is two, here is air, water and glass slab, and one is last is air. So when a light is beam is coming from A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E, when we reversing this light, it suffer same line. So it is E to D, D to C, C to B and B to A, and you can write like this. Path along which a ray of light travels on reversing the condition, it returns back along the same path. This is called principle of reversibility of light. As shown in figure, on the reflecting from air to water, rarer to denser medium, ray AB bends towards the normal MN and follows path BC at point C when rays BC enter from water to glass. Then it flows path CD and bends towards the normal PQ. Then the incident ray CD moves away from normal RS at the point of incident D. Thus, in the system of air, water, glass, air, the path of rays of the light A, B, C, D, E, F, and reversing this system of order will be air, glass, water. Here in this situation, according to the law of reflection, path followed by the ray of the light will be EDCBA. Thus, we can conclude that during the traveling of light through different medium, if at any point of the depth its direction be reversed, then its paths so reverse behavior. This is called principle of reversibility. So you can write in your copy. Now come to the next one. Now come to this question. Question number 16. State the region of the following. The first region, the position of the fish in the pond is not same as is observed from the outside. So you can write the answer. Let a fish is lying under the water. You can see here fish position, and it is the actual position and it is the virtual position. These are the positions. So let a fish of lying underwater is seen by observer through air, rarer medium, and the rays PQ from fish P and OL is backward direction. They intersect at point P dash. Therefore, virtual image of fish appears at P dash. Therefore, on seeing fish in denser medium through air in rare medium, its position appears to be raised than the actual position. So P will be appear at P dash. So you can draw the diagram also and write the question in your copy. Now let us see the next question. The second one is a bubble of air shining in water. Why it is shining in water? It is due to the total internal reflection. Air bubbles rising in water appears silvery because when ray of light enter from water denser to air rarer medium, then suffered inverted as if the tree is on the bank of a water reservoir. On a hot summer days, the temperature of air near the surface of the earth is maximum and the temperature goes on decreasing with